photo looks real, right? Just me and Messi chilling in 2015, playing FIFA 15 on a vintage PC, but here's the twist, it never happened. I used AI to create it from an ordinary picture of me. Let me show you how that... I had this regular picture of myself, and I thought, what if I could turn it into something nostalgic? Something like a flash photo from the early 2010s. A moment that feels real, even though it never happened. Here's all I needed. 1. A clear photo of myself. 2. ChatGPT with image generation. 3. A detailed creative prompt. This is the exact prompt I used. Grungy analog flash photo, me and Lionel Messi, see 2015, in a dim bedroom playing FIFA 2015 on a vintage computer. Sitting on floor, holding controllers, looking back at the camera. The more details you give, the year, the mood, what you're doing, the more realistic it gets. The result blew my mind. It looks like a real moment. From the old school, monitor to the lighting, even Messi, looks like he's actually in the room. The AI matched the vibe perfectly. With AI, you can create fake memories, vintage moments, or even dream scenarios. Want a childhood memory you never had? Done. Want to be in a music video or a football locker room? Easy. This is powerful for creators, storytellers, and anyone who loves nostalgia. If you're into this kind of AI content, don't forget to follow. I'll be making more creative tutorials like this. No face needed, just ideas.